Here is how we made over $300 trading Gainex 999 yesterday. We saw this particular setup yesterday and we took advantage of it. Even when it had a pullback, I told you guys that this is giving us head and shoulder. And of course, if that is what is happening, and definitely it's still going to sell more, you can see it still sold till it got to this region. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain in details how I'm able to generate this trading signal, and of course we will also check out all other assets that we can also take advantage of right from here. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and of course guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, we are starting with Gainex 999. So for Gainex 999, right here we are on 15-minute time frame. So yesterday I actually saw this signal, okay, and of course it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it started a downtrend, and I gave us this trading signal, and it sold till it got to this region before having a pullback. When it had this pullback, okay, I have to tell you guys that okay, this is still going to sell if it does not break out from here, and I have my reasons for that. Okay, first of all, before I pick this signal right from here, I realized that this has actually been playing within this region. Okay, let me just use this to analyze what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, it has been playing within this channel. Okay, so it started the uptrend from here, get to the upper part of the channel, then it played around there before coming down and went back up again. So when I knew that it has gotten to this resistance zone, so I was expecting it to sell. At least it should get to this particular spot, and it sold till it got there, broke out below it a bit, and of course later on it went back into it. So when that happened, the next thing I need to figure was to reanalyze the assets yesterday. Okay, so when I realized the assets, I noticed that here is a resistance zone that was respected earlier, so I knew it may likely respect it again. So I said if it does not break out from there, then definitely it's going to sell. I gave us this particular information yesterday, and of course you can see it turning back into a downtrend, and by the time we wake up today, and you can see that it has actually sold to achieve multi-piece for us. Okay, so this is really huge. We started this right from here and we made a lot of profit from this. TP1 achieved, TP2 achieved, TP3 achieved, TP4 achieved, 5 and 6 has just been achieved. Just the seventh one is yet to be achieved. So congratulations to those of you who are able to pick up this trading signal right from here. So guys, in case you guys are wondering how I'm able to come up with this trading strategy or trading signals, okay, all I had to do is just to follow a simple strategy which I have been using for over a year. Okay, so the strategy is trend trading strategy. So trend trading strategy simply means that you only need to follow the trend. Okay, so go for the signal that supports the trend. At this point, okay, the signal, I mean the major trend right here is a downtrend. So the only signal that we should focus on is a sell signal, and that's what we actually focused on in order for us to milk it like this. It is as simple as that. Now it is still the same signal we also applied on Paynex 1200 when we started selling right from here. Okay, so we can see it. This is spikes trading. We came in around here, and of course we have gotten to this region with all our TPs achieved. The last TP has just been achieved right now, but this is playing around here. We're trying to see if it will break out below this support zone, or probably it will switch back into an uptrend. Okay, so we are still waiting for that. Actually, we are expecting it to go back into an uptrend, but if it breaks out below this support zone, then definitely it's still going to sell more. But if it does not, it will switch back into an uptrend, then we can tap into it and start milking the market right from there. But we are still waiting for that, guys. We are still waiting for that. That's for Paynex 1200. Now let's check out Paynex 999. This is Paynex 999, and of course, this is another asset which we actually milked. Okay, and of course, I told us that this got to the resistance zone at this point. It got to the resistance zone at this point. Okay, so and of course, if you should look at it, just don't look at how it's ranged. Look at it giving us double tops. Okay, and of course, another thing which I will advise you to look at is that this is giving us a kind of M vibes. Okay, so and I told you about it that the last leg of the M is always a downtrend. Okay, so you can see it going down, and of course, our entry point, our stop loss, and of course, we made our TPs, TP 1, 2, 3, 4, and now it is heading towards the last TP. So this is it. So this is so amazing, guys. This is so amazing. So you can see how we milk this particular asset also. Still using the same trading strategy. We had a downtrend at this point, and of course, we only need to support the signal that supports the trend. Okay, we only need to trade the signal that supports the trend. So which is a sell signal. Okay, and of course, let's check out the last one, which is FX volume 80. This one is still going. FX volume 80 actually got to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it switched back into an uptrend. Immediately it switched into this. We had to wait for a buy signal. So we got the buy signal around here. Okay, you can see the arrow. We got the buy signal around here, and of course, you can see it buying. Just a single signal, guys, just a single buy signal. Look at the amount of profit it has given us already. Okay, and the reason for this is that this is on 15-minute time frame, and of course this is huge already. So you can see right from here till this very moment, that is about 47 candles, and of course this is about 373,275 points. This is amazing. So the only problem we are having right here is this resistance zone. So we don't know if it's going to break out from there. Okay, we don't know if it's going to break out from there. So if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then if you switch back into a downtrend. So however, the last TP which you want to achieve is this. Okay, so I will advise you to adjust your stop loss if you are in the market. I will advise you to adjust your stop loss to somewhere here to lock up some part of your profit. Okay, so that in case this decide to misbehave and goes back, okay, so it will eat your stop loss, and the rest of the profits will still go back to your balance. And if it breaks out above this, then we are most likely to achieve the last TP. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, this is how we usually milk it on daily basis, and of course we usually drop free trading signals like this within the Telegram channel. So if you are not within the Telegram channel, I will advise you to join the Telegram channel right away. The link is right there in the description box, and of course I also pin it down to the comment section. Okay, so this is very, very important. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly subscribe right away so that you can be notified whenever I drop an update like this. Okay, so I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.